Okay, you guys, so I am back and my hair is all dried now. This is what it actually looks like when you turn it around. It's all dried up. So this is where you're going to use, this is completely optional as well, but this is where you're going to actually use the acrylic paint. The acrylic paint is just for correction area. It's like this part right here. I don't really like it oh so much because it wasn't the look that I was going for. So of course I'm going to use my acrylic paint and of course the hair is very colorful. It's amazing. The colors blended super well. But I'm going to actually use some of the acrylic paint to go in. So now I got everything ready. I have my water handy. I have my paint ready to go. And I'm only using a few colors. I'm only going to use pink, purple, and I may use blue. And I think I may use a little dab of green in here. Not a lot, just a little. But this part is where I'm just going to probably cover up some things and, you know, wherever I see fit, really. But the paintbrush that I'm going to use is this paintbrush here. I like this brush because it's not really big and the bristles are like really like pointed on the edge. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to take a little bit of paint here, just a little on the brush, and I'm just going to stroke up and down. Just going to cover that area really. Cover that area right on that. Maybe like a little here. Maybe a little here. And then I'm going to distress this head too. In my vision, for some reason, I have it distressed. This is the final and finished look, you guys. It came out beautiful. I've already distressed a few things in the head. So you can, the colors that you're seeing is the final finished look. I've distressed it and put some more of the acrylic paint in it. But that's it, y'all. How beautiful is it?